Kosi for life. Ugrene mfowethu.
Mnandi pakani.
Asingene game lafana mfowethu ibona kanjani?
Yeah, it was not a pleasing game emehlweni abantu, but tactically it was a very good game because it was like a Champions League game. It was a real derby because Chiefs come with a good plan to be compact in the midfield because in modern football ibethwa nge-overloads. You overload the midfield, you force opponent idlale kwi-areas that is not comfortable because today we close the midfield, we force Paris to play wide. It bring Amatroses. Also, Atroses are 50-50 chances. Although Ebebe dangerous, but Peterson was save kakhulu. Yeah, it was a very good game. And then second half we come with approach over pressure from the back. Saba force abadlale long balls. But we have chances, but as starter. But I don't want to be harsh on my players. And I'm also happy with the performance yonke yamajita. Yeah, it was a very good game. Also, the performance ka referee managed the game very well, a bit lenient because it needs not to be harsh. Yeah, it was a very good game. We come as the underdogs. A very young reminder the year 2011 and 2012 when the Pirates appoint Augusto Palacios. Augusto Palacios went to Cape Town on Wednesday to play Isandos and then Waluza 3-0 in that game, and we told ourselves, I know this is a winner the game. Then on Saturday, the Pirates yabuya ngathi ngopeni, score brace and not include Yasicha. So it always come with these surprises. But yeah, no, otherwise sorry kumapakania man, because although amapakania bengifuna push Sundowns, but the good news ngathi Sundowns yadrosha namhlanje. So yeah, still the game is still on.
No,
let's go down to the wire. Yabulela ngelithuba bhuti wami, yabulela kakhulu.
Thank you mfowethu. Ngicela sikhulume before sivala just how did you feel nge 45 minutes match delay because of the game today was actually delayed nge 45 minutes. Mawubhekile, is that the thing earlier slow down game mayisaqala?
No, abantu abaninzi bhuti bakhala ngendaba yamatikiti. The ticket system is not working for us. Angifuna ungena ke deep kulezo zinto because I don't know, but the delay was not good for the game. Even the things that happened before the game, fight and stuff. But Teta as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I was happy with it delay. I was happy with even no slower down the game. Because when you're playing with team as a 4 minutes Pirates and are over 50 goals, 17 clean sheet, number 2 cups already, you need also mind games. You need to not to focus only on tactics. You need mind games. Even it delay, I think maybe it's affecting the players, but I was happy with it delay. I was even happy with sometimes ngendaba game relax kancane. Although it was not a pleasing game, but it delay with not something MLSE promote as in South Africa. We need to come to the stadium early. We need to make sure everything ihamba on time, but you know most African time.
Asivala nge man of the match yakho mfowethu.
Yeah, man of the match Brandon Peterson. Inchebe, yeah. Inchebe iphakamise kakhulu this season. Inchebe has never been a bad goalkeeper, but the only problem ibidinga the proper coaching. I see now there is a bond between Inchebe and the goalkeeper coach, and there are rumors that the goalkeeper coach has extended a contract 3 years, but I'm not sure about it. But Inchebe is got confidence now. Is having a responsibility of to be a captain. Yeah. So I'm very happy for Inchebe. I wish he can stay injury free. I don't want to get involved in national team stuff and talk about who deserve to be there and stuff. No, everyone is watching the performance in Inchebe. Kalebo Hang Mabowa, Brady Tross. You are Hugo Bros now.
It's up to him. It's up to him. Ngicela sivala Kosi for life. Bafethu PSL Pulse, please subscribe. Danko.